Hi, I'm Yuri, and I'm going to show you how to start your first project in the HiStruct Building Configurator. HiStruct Building Configurator is an online app for 3D visualizations of your steel buildings. So therefore, we start with login into the application on a website. You need to put in your email and password. And once you're logged in, you can see either the trial project space called Building Configurator or a dedicated project space to your company. Now we are in the welcome screen of the HiStruct Configurator. In the top right corner you can choose your language, but I'll keep English for this tutorial. At the top rib you see projects, quote requests, which we are not going to talk about in this tutorial, and templates, which are basically a set of predefined building shapes and types from which you can choose and start very easily your first project. And I will also utilize one of them, which is called Plain Building Duo Pitch. It's a simple building without any opening, accessories, no specific colors, so that we can start very easily adjusting the building to our appearance. So basically on the left hand side you can see various input pages where you can define your parameters, like the building dimensions. I'll go for 20 meters width, 16 meters will be the building length. I'll make the stem a little bit lower, and I can see the simplified model right now, but afterwards it will be complete 3D detailed model, including all the parts. I'll also add some openings. Either I can choose from the various icons here for particular walls and roof types, or I can go to the view I'm interested in and click on these yellow arrows to add new openings, like sectional door. So I'll put it closer to the edge. My door will be 3.5 meter high and 3.5 meter wide. Then I'll add new windows, which will be closer to that, 3 meters wide, 1.25 and 1.5 meter above the ground. I can add another window, for example, and I'll finish with sectional door again, which will be the same size. Okay, I can set it a close. Now I can see simplified representation of my windows. I can see that the sectional door is a bit too far on the right side, so I'll move it a little bit to the left. I can easily click on it and change any value I'm interested in. Okay, so let's go to the default view. I can go to colors and specify that, for example, the wall panels will be either in blue, and maybe I prefer a lighter color, for lighter silver for the flashing. So here we go. This is the building. We can even go inside. If I click on a top view and then on this main perspective, I can go inside and check the building from the interior. Oh, really nice. Let us go outside again. So this was my first project, which is basically stored in the projects in the top left menu. Because I started from the template, it's autosave project without any particular name, but I can better easily edit it. Let's say the workshop building. The type will be a trial and update. And this is the first project, which my component is a particle 3D model, which in this case is dual pitch roof. And I can even add a new component as a second variant, for example with the monopitch roof. So therefore I can have two parts, monopitch roof, and I can have both variants under my project. So to conclude my story, you can either start the new project, new visualization with the plus add new project button, and then add new components, or you can go at the top to templates and select from the predefined one, or start your own by adapting the input values. Thank you for watching.